My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacking extension, which is called UpSearches. So UpSearches is a special extension specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. It works as a new tab replacer, and it also changes the default search engine settings. I'm going to install this extension on purpose in order to let you realize what happens after this extension is installed. So you open the new tab and instead of the blank tab you see this UpSearches. And when you submit certain search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some other fake search engines not chosen by you initially. Therefore, if you are not happy with all such changes, you should remove this UpSearches extension from Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. If you find this UpSearches extension, disable and remove it. We also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page, the official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.